Okay, we are live. This is just a few things I've learned about Facebook. I'm showing the comment right now that Streamyard does. I'm going to go here on Facebook. I'm going to go here. This is my live. We're going to put a comment right in here. I'm going to do a control paste. Paste. Okay, now we're going to go back over here to Streamyard and we're going to say show. Banners are limited to 120 characters. This is what a 120 character banner looks like. That's what the banner looks like. Comments, however, are unlimited in characters. So I have copied and pasted this 4 times. So this is going to be almost, it's 480 characters. That's what a 480 character comment would look like. And as you can see, if I do that, I have to get up here so you can see me. But if you had something that you want to put up and cover the whole screen, that is strictly up to you. Like I say, this is just a quick little test. We're going to hide this. And I think we're going to end this. We've been on here 2 minutes, so let's get this up. Thanks for watching if you happen to see it.